Hello everyone, my name is Adam Hodgson, and today I'll be telling you about my dinosaur, Concavenator corcovatus, or more commonly known as simply Concavenator. Its common name is Greek for Swenka hunter, as it was named after the city it was found in. However, its full name means hunter with a hump, which refers to my dinosaur's most notable feature, its hump. This hump is formed by its 11th and 12th vertebrae being extended approximately 5 times longer than its central vertebrae. It's also predicted to be used for either thermoregulation or intra-special interactions with other concavenators. The phylogenetic information regarding my dinosaur is that it belongs to the clade Theropoda. This is a result of its obligate bipedalism, hollow bones, and 3-toed limbs. Additionally, my dinosaur belongs to the family Carcharodontosauridae. This is a result of its large fenestral opening and large size. And lastly, my dinosaur falls under the genus Concavenator because of its carnivorous nature and its enlarged 11th and 12th vertebrae. As for the geographic range of my dinosaur, it's difficult to say with certainty as there's only ever been one specimen found. However, said specimen was found, and I know I'm going to butcher this, was found in La Juerguina Formation in Cuenca, Spain in 2010, and it was stated to be mostly complete. From this fossil, researchers learned that Concavenator lived in the Barremian age of the Lower Cretaceous 130 to 125 million years ago. As for what we know regarding the lifestyle of my dinosaur, we know very little because only one specimen has ever been found. However, from the specimen, we know that it lived in a wetland/lake ecosystem similar of that to the mangroves. We know this because of aquatic plants being found in the same area that date back to 125 million years ago. Additionally, we know that my dinosaur was the apex predator of its environment and that it ate small vertebrates such as mammals, smaller reptiles, and even crocodiliforms. Additionally, researchers believe that Concavenator was a very social animal, as it's believed that its feathers and hump was used for intra-special interactions. However, what those entail is unknown to researchers. Lastly, the paleoclimate of the early Cretaceous in which Concavenator lived was much warmer than present day. This was a result of increased atmospheric carbon dioxide, and as a result of the increased carbon dioxide levels, there was very few glaciers outside of those present at the tops of mountains. This resulted in elevated sea levels compared to modern day, and it was estimated that only 18% of Earth's surface was land during this time. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you learned something about my dinosaur, and good luck with the rest of your semester.